Welcome back to StoryArt Studio. You've built the habit of daily reading and added structure with wordplay. Now it's time for the heart of the program, StoryStudio, where comprehension, creativity, and deeper thinking come alive. Daily reading gave your child the habit, choice, consistency, and joy. Wordplay added the structure, phonics, and accountability to me, not you. Now StoryStudio will layer in depth, turning readers into thoughtful, curious learners. By late October, all three parts of StoryArt Studio are in place: daily reading every day, wordplay for structured skills, and StoryStudio 2 to 3 times per week. Together, they form a complete and balanced reading routine. StoryStudio is where comprehension comes alive. Unlike wordplay or daily reading, this part is designed for families to share deeper conversations around books a few times each week. I provide the lessons, prompts, and thinking routines. You share them with your child. Together, you'll spark dialogue and imagination that makes stories unforgettable. Strong readers don't just decode words, they understand, connect, and create meaning. StoryStudio builds vocabulary, visualization skills, and critical thinking. By slowing down with carefully chosen books, kids learn to think deeply, connect personally, and respond creatively, skills that will serve them for life. StoryStudio is a shared reading routine 2 to 3 times per week. Parent-guided conversations using prompts, visualizations, and Harvard Project Zero thinking routines that build comprehension. A joyful practice of connecting books to ideas, self, and the world. StoryStudio is not daily drills or endless worksheets. It isn't about quizzes or right and wrong answers. It isn't phonics, that's wordplay, or independent habit reading, that's daily reading. This is about depth, creativity, and making meaning. Here's how it works. I prepare the lesson guides, and you present them 2 to 3 times per week during short interactive reading times. I also provide a curated monthly book list for you to obtain, ideally adding each book to your child's personal daily reading library. Kids engage deeply, respond thoughtfully, and grow as readers and thinkers. StoryStudio is where meaning comes alive. With daily reading, wordplay, and StoryStudio working together, your child isn't just learning to read, they're learning to think, connect, and discuss ideas.